I think a health hackathon is probably one of the coolest events that I've had the opportunity to experience. When you think about deep work and trying to solve complex problems, really honing in on the wisdom from people from different subspecialties, different philosophies, really putting them together and giving them 48 hours, 72 hours. Hey guys, you've got to solve this. I hadn't seen anything like that before. So I think it's a great idea, and it's fantastic that it's happening at Sinai. And I'm really happy to be a part of judging this.
For me, these hackathons really represent a seed that will sprout into creativity, innovation across all the participants, and perhaps change the course of their careers and the science that they pursue.
Bringing young people together and having them think about innovative ways of solving problems that we've been battling with for years, maybe centuries together, it really draws on the wisdom that comes through generations. So one of the other things that a health hackathon does, besides bringing people with different backgrounds, but different age groups, and I know a lot of hackathons hone in on the wisdom of the young, which we're not able to learn as well from in other subspecialties. So this in itself, doing this in the health sector, learning from people who are not yet, who haven't been pigeonholed into thinking about problems in one way, that brings out really innovative solutions.
I just think the goals of Mount Sinai to innovate are very tangible here, and I really love that about the school.
So Sinai Biodesign is an internal device incubator for Mount Sinai. We work with clinicians who may have well-established needs, but they don't have the opportunity to actually build a device out of them. So we actually work very early stage before we have IP, before we have a final device. And we go from a needs case all the way to some device primitives that then we can go protect, spin out, or license to an external company who can take it and get it in the hands of patients.
Well, I think that the challenge is how to harness discovery science to solve problems of disease, and to train talented individuals to be prepared to utilize appropriate tools to allow for that science to be applied to the human condition to improve health.
Partnering of all types is vital to progress in the academic medical centers and in healthcare. Everybody has different skill sets, different expertise. Nobody can do it all, neither an individual, nor a group, nor a corporation. And so leveraging strengths to find complementary strengths across partnerships is the way to go for the future. And we believe in it. We seek those partnerships across academia and between academia and commercial interests where appropriate in order to really advance the science and improve the healthcare of our patients.
So it used to be that science was accomplished by an individual working in a lab unto themselves. In this day and age where there's so much information and so much expertise and knowledge to be applied to a given problem, to really make advances in significant ways, you need to partner and collaborate with other individuals with a different perspective and different background and different expertise. And to really work together in a collaboration requires a number of tools: communication, listening, appreciation for a different point of view. And so a hackathon is a perfect venue for creating new opportunities, new tools that will improve human health, and at the same time allow people in an experiential way to realize those elements that are so critical for team science.
Innovation is like a good contagion. If you cultivate it, if you provide the right environment, then people really embrace it and they enjoy it. It makes them feel valued, excited, stimulated. I think all those things are to the good, and ultimately, if that transforms into technologies that improve the lives of our patients, well, that's the best yet.
It's been really fun. It's been awesome working with you guys.
Yeah, really creative.
Yeah.